Take the guesswork out of funding. Research-backed online lender comparison. In the last few years, a number of online lenders have emerged. They are often excellent choices for convenience, decision and funding speed, industries which can't get funding elsewhere, and business owners with less than stellar personal credit. But which are best for your personal circumstances? We'll start with the best online lenders for quick cash, and we'll start with Cabbage. Qualifying takes minutes. $500 to $250,000 is available. This is easy access to cash as long as credit line is open. The non-traditional approach puts less weight on credit score than other lenders. Their requirements are 1 year or more in business, $50,000 or more in annual revenue, or $4,200 or more in monthly revenue over the last 3 months. Find them online at www.cabbage.com. Now let's look at Bluevine. This lender offers invoice factoring and lines of credit. Bluevine can process a loan in as little as 24 hours. $5,000 to $100,000 is available. But lines of credit are not available in all states. Their requirements are 6 or more months in business and $100,000 or more in annual revenue with a 600 or better personal FICO score. Find them online at www.bluevine.com. Let's recap. Online lenders offer a myriad of benefits. Choose what works best for you. Speed, low FICO scores, short time in business, or low annual revenues welcome. High amounts on offer, early prepayment discounts, multiple financing options, convenient ways to pay, peer-to-peer lending, or working capital financing. Contact us today to learn more about taking the guesswork out of funding with our research-backed online lender comparison.